What if I told you the secret to a high-end lifestyle has very little to do with your income? It's easy to believe that a life of luxury is defined by a limitless budget, but the truth is far more accessible. True luxury is found in the details, in smart, intentional choices that elevate your daily experience. Today, I'm going to share 10 simple, budget-friendly upgrades that will infuse your life with a feeling of incredible opulence, proving that an expensive life is about how you feel, not how you spend. Our first transformation begins at your doorstep. Upgrade number 1 is to paint your front door or your cabinets in a bold matte color. First impressions are everything, and a simple coat of a deep, rich color like charcoal, navy, or even a dark forest green can lend instant sophistication to your home. The same is true for tired kitchen cabinets. A quick repaint can make the entire room feel bespoke and custom designed for a fraction of the cost. But a beautiful entrance is just the beginning. Now, let's talk about the one thing that can single-handedly undermine a beautiful room: lighting. Number 2, install dimmer switches and LED strips. Harsh singular overhead lighting is the sworn enemy of ambiance. Swapping a standard switch for a dimmer allows you to tailor the mood of a room, creating the soft glow you'd find in a fine hotel. Then, by adding inexpensive LED strips under cabinets or behind a headboard, you introduce layered lighting, a professional technique that adds depth, warmth, and visual interest to your space. The third secret lies in a language we often forget: texture. It's time to layer your home with plush, inviting textiles. Think of the most luxurious hotel you've ever visited. Much of that feeling comes from the quality of the fabrics. Add a sumptuous throw to your sofa, switch to crisp, white hotel-style bedding, and most importantly, replace thin, worn-out towels with thick, premium versions. Bamboo towels offer incredible softness and absorbency, while Egyptian cotton provides a classic plush feel. That tactile sense of indulgence is a luxury you can literally feel every single day. At number 4, we have a design illusion that costs absolutely nothing. Hang your curtains high and wide. Instead of mounting the curtain rod just above the window frame, place it several inches higher and wider. This simple adjustment draws the eye upward, creating vertical height that makes your ceilings feel loftier and the entire room feel more grand and expansive. Number 5 is about mastering reflection and curation. Add oversized mirrors and create a gallery wall. A large mirror is one of the oldest and most effective tools in a designer's handbook. It bounces light around the room and creates a brilliant illusion of greater space. And you don't need a fortune for fine art. Visit thrift stores for interesting prints or beautifully illustrated books. Frame them simply and arrange them. You're not just hanging pictures, you're curating a story that looks as though it's been collected over years. Now, let's focus on the details that most people overlook, but that your eye will always notice. Number 6 is to upgrade your hardware. Builder-grade knobs, pulls, and faucets can unintentionally date your space. Swap them for sleek, modern fixtures in a finish like brushed bronze, graphite, or even a classic gold. You can even replace interior doorknobs. It's a subtle shift, but it lends a bespoke, custom-finished quality to your home that makes a remarkable difference. Now that we've polished the details in your home, let's apply that same philosophy to your personal style. For number 7, rent or shop secondhand for designer items. For that upcoming special occasion, why buy a piece you might only wear once? Rental services allow you to experience the thrill of wearing a designer creation for a fraction of its cost. And please, do not underestimate the curated treasures waiting in consignment shops and online resale platforms. They are gold mines for high-quality, like-new, luxury accessories that allow you to build an exceptional wardrobe, piece by piece. Number 8 brings that sense of thoughtful construction back home. Add architectural detail with trim or crown molding. A plain, boxy room can often feel unfinished, like a canvas waiting for its frame. Adding details like molding creates an immediate sense of structure and elegance. And you don't need to be a master craftsman. There are affordable, DIY-friendly, peel-and-stick options that can completely transform a plain wall or doorway, giving it a polished, high-end finish. For our final upgrades, we're focusing on the two most powerful yet intangible elements of a luxurious space. Number 9 is about elevating your daily self-care rituals. Luxury isn't just an aesthetic, it's a feeling. So, invest in the routines that you perform every day. Ditch flimsy cotton balls for thick plush pads. Find a high-quality, long-lasting nail polish for a truly professional-looking at-home manicure. Even upgrading to a memory foam pillow can transform your sleep into a more indulgent experience. It's about turning mundane routines into small, restorative ceremonies. And finally, at number 10, declutter your space and find a signature scent. A cluttered space creates a cluttered mind. There is an undeniable luxury in calm and order. Simple organizers for desks and drawers can instantly create that feeling. Then, apply the final, invisible layer of polish by finding a signature scent for your home. A quality candle or a reed diffuser with notes of sandalwood, white tea, or bergamot can transform the atmosphere. That feeling of walking into a clean, organized, and beautifully scented space is the ultimate mark of quiet luxury, and you can create it for yourself. And there you have it. 10 tangible ways to prove that luxury is not about price tags. It's about intention. It's about creating an environment and a routine that feels deliberate, comfortable, and beautiful. You hold all the power to elevate your own every day. And if you enjoy discovering ways to live a more elevated life, please be sure to subscribe to Lvely Living. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.